So we're on the trail of the media preview for iLight 2023, and as Asia's leading sustainability light festival, we have just one question for them. How sustainable are the arts installations? So we're gonna rank all the installations according to how green they are, and then we'll come to the conclusion. Well, that's it for the installations at iLight 2023. While some are a little more sustainable than the others, one thing's for sure, they're all very pretty and very Insta-worthy. Definitely worth checking out. While you're at it, perhaps read the messages and think about your impact on the world, as well as how to make the world a better place for you and me. If you like more event videos on things around Singapore, check out the videos here and here. Until then, bye.